What's up, friend? Today we have a asus zenbook UX 430 laptop. This laptop problem is display problem. You can see here is a vertical white spot, and maybe here is some heated spot on the laptop. You can see maybe that's why the display has gone damaged. Today I will fix this problem. Let's check the again this problem. Okay, you can see here is one spot. Okay friends, today I will show how to change this laptop display and very easy and perfect way. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we need to open all those screw. After that we need to back cover. Here also one screw. Here is one hidden screw. We need to also open this. After that that is okay. This is our laptop circuit. This is the laptop motherboard. Here is one cooling fan and all those things are okay. This is the processor and this is the SSD hard drive. Okay, storage system, and this is the Wi-Fi dongle. This device connected this laptop with your Wi-Fi router. Okay, first of all we need to connect this battery connection before we open the display. When you do any electrical work on this laptop, definitely you need to open the battery connection. Okay, this is the very important. Otherwise if you do any short circuit or any mismatch, the circuit will be burned. Okay, first of all we need to open the battery connection. Okay, here is a pin. You just pull this reset. After that you open it. Okay, this is very simple way. You just press this here and pull this. Okay, this is very easy and simple way to open. And after that pull up the hair, all this rubber. Okay viewers, now our display now are free. Here is some screw to open. Just this is very shining. You can see skin protector. We need to open this after installing the display. You can see here is some difference of the both display, and this is the original display and this is the local display, and here is a metal sheet for connecting for holding the display with this back cover, but this one is not for the attaching the screw, but this display is matched with our motherboard. That's why I keep this. I have attached the laptop display. Okay, let's okay, our display is attached as a good condition. Here is a no gap. you can see. Our display installation is okay. Just open the laptop and turn on. Let's check what happened. Okay viewers, it's working fine. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Okay.